Good day everyone, welcome back to my channel. Today I'll be making one of the trending satin hairband, and then the first thing I'll do is get my satin, and the material I have there is by length 45 inches and then by width is 10, but I'll start by sewing out a small part which will almost be like the size of the hairband, because this satin hairband is in form of ruffles. So what I did was I started by sewing a small part of it, which will just be about 2 inches, and then I started sewing it completely. You understand? So, and then at the end I'll still curve it and make sure that the part I'm sewing is just almost 2 inches as well. I used 2 inches to enable me fix the material, no, to enable me fix the hairband into the material. So 2 inches will be enough because of the size of the hairband normally. So after doing that, I'll just turn it over, which I have just done. So after turning it, you can see the end there now, how small it is looking, but you can see the rest of the body, how big it is, and look at the end again, how small it is. So for the whole of the body I used the complete 10 inches, but for the side I just used 2 inches. After which I also prepared 2 separate parts that I'm going to be wearing at the beginning of the hairband. To do that, just take your hairband measurement and then cut a little bit out. Run it with your machine. It will be ready for you to wear on the hairband. So right now I am done wearing it on my hairband, and this is how it looks. The reason I'm doing this is, after wearing your material, that's the ruffles part I'm preparing now, some part of this hairband might be showing. So to avoid that, you first of all cover it to an extent before fixing your material into it. So right now it's just too simple. You can see the video is very short, so I'll just wear the material into it. It's just going to form a kind of ruffles for me. So that's just the aim of everything, for it to form ruffles. So it's going to form ruffles as I wear it. So I will go back to the beginning of the hairband now, and I'll first of all hold that part down. Remember I told you that I started by sewing just about 2 inches. The reason I sew that is so that I can actually wear it. If not, what I need is not up to 2 inches, you understand? But with 2 inches, it will be very easy for me to just glue. It will be very easy for me to glue. So that's why I have used 2 inches. So you can see I'm just using the hot glue now to hold it down, and you can see the part I covered from the beginning is actually exposed. If not for the fact that I used the material to cover the beginning, the black part of the hairband would have been showing by now. So it's either you prepare your material in the form in which I prepared mine, or you can simply use your bias to wrap the beginning, bias of same color, to wrap the beginning before you wear the hairband in it. So I'm just going to pull in every other part of it to the end, and then I'll just get my glue again the same way I glued the first part. I'll glue the last part as well. So once I'm done with that glue, the hairband is ready. All right, so this is just it. I told you before that it's very easy, and you can see the video is very short. It's in different form. I'll bring other patterns to you for those that are interested, so that you can see them, because this hairband is just trending, and I believe it will trend very well. So before it starts trending so well, I want you to know how to make it so that you will not lose out. Yes, so all right, so that is just all for today. I do hope you enjoyed the tutorials. I'll see you in my next video. All right, for today it will be bye for now. Bye, bye, bye.